Hi, neighbors. Welcome to Garage 3030. Today we have a special surprise for you. We have a special treat we want to show you. And my jacket up. It's good to be your neighbor. Let's take a look. All right, enough of that crap. It's made a purchase. I want to show it to you. We're going to do a review on this. I ended up buying a tire machine. Enough for the manual one that we did a review on earlier in the year. But so as much as they charge to mount tires, last time I took a set in to have them mounted and balanced, it cost me $140. So you take that over time and this will pay for itself. So what we ended up getting was the Mayflower 950. I actually bought this through Amazon. Shipping was included. We just had to have it dropped off and pick it up. So it wasn't that big of a deal to get it. The one we got had the 950 has the air bead blaster on it. It also has a supporting arm that will help you assist in mounting low profile tires or tires that are hard. Also has a full balancer. So we're going to start unboxing this, put it in place, and you can go along in time lapse, watch us get this thing set up, and then we'll come back and kind of show you some of the features. This isn't a how to assemble video. This is more of a review on the product. So hopefully by the end of today, we should be able to mount a tire, get it balanced, and just see how it performs. So stick around and let's walk through this. What do I do with my hands?
I'm not sure what to do with my hands.
Okay, we ended up getting this assembled. I'll give you my honest opinion on this. Now, this wasn't sponsored by no means. This came out of my own bank account, and so I can be critical if need be. The quality of the machine is amazing. It's really well built. The pieces go together well. The side assist arm was a little tricky. Uh, I will tell you one thing. So the instructions for this suck. They actually are in English. If you want to see what kind of English this is, where I went to school, even though it was a redneck school, we spelt tire a little different than that. Uh, they're terrible. They really are. They're not in Chinesium, so you can read it, but it doesn't tell you what to do. So a lot of it is feel. You just have to figure it out. We had the airlines. They didn't tell you anything about the airlines. There was a pressure valve. They didn't tell you anything about that. But we got it put together. So with a little patience, you can do this too. So far, everything seems to work good. The assist arm goes up and down. The table turns in and out. Everything works well with it. So what we're going to do next is we're going to finish up getting the balancer set up and get it balanced to get it calibrated. And we'll come back with that. And then hopefully we'll be able to mount and balance the tire and show you how it works. And we'll go from there. All right, we've got them all put together. We got the balancer assembled, got it calibrated, got the tire machine completely put together, as we said a little bit earlier. So what we're going to do now is bust down the tire and just break it down, just see how the machine works. The balancer works perfect. We tried a couple of tires on it, so it works out okay. So let's get to breaking down a tire here. So take out the air. Well, that which one's out. What we found is that the balancer was pretty good. Of course, the instructions, as I said earlier, weren't that great, but you can muddle through it. Trust me on that. So you're going to get this tire broke down here. This is a really, really, really old wheel that we found out in back. Oh, we got the bead broke on it. Got it set. This does have extra uh, plastics that come with this, so you don't scratch up a wheel that really matters. This one doesn't really matter. So we will get this put in. And we'll see how this works. Now, for instance, I don't think we're going to need it on this tire, but let's just say we needed some help pushing it down. We can use the assist arm. Okay, we're going to try to get this off of here. It fought us a little bit, but just learning the machine. So, go on the upper. Oh, this has got water in it. What a great, great deal. And there you go. That tire was full of water. So, my honest opinion on this machine, I think it's great. I think it's going to work out good. I mean, it's going to take me a little while to get the hang of it. I think the assist arm is going to come in handy. Like I said, it's well built. It seems like it's pretty sturdy. The calibration part of it was fairly simple once you remember to do certain steps, but this came to me for under $2,900 shipped. So for both pieces. So for that, to get these kind of features, it will pay for itself. At $140 for a set of tires to mount them, it's not going to take many to take care of that. In fact, I'm looking at 8 tires that need to be done today. And also we have our trailer needs the tires balanced on it. There's a lot of things that we can do with this. So overall, I'm happy with it. We'll do a review at 1 year just to see if it's holding up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put it into the video. Also, like and subscribe. Subscriptions really, really help. We're watching the channel grow, and I'm seeing that happen. But it's up to you to take the time to watch these videos. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell notifications so you can be up to date on a lot of stuff that is going on the channel. So we do have some projects coming up and we're working on. But I do thank you for watching Garage 3030. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.